Hi, my name's David Hines. I'm sorry it's difficult to hear through the mask. I actually went to report a crime on video. I'm in Glan Clwyd Hospital in Abergele, North Wales. I was forced to take a PCR test against my wishes as I was fighting for air. And I was forced, well, I wasn't forced, I was given Remdesivir without my consent. They only gave me one and I stopped it. But the bullying and harassment on a daily basis to take other treatments that I don't want, I just don't know what to say. Other than a comparison would be John O'Looney, the funeral director. It's exactly the same trip that he had. But I need support. I need all the help I can get to get out of this, because they've got me on the highest numbers possible of oxygen. But the main thing is, as I say, crimes have been committed. As far as I'm concerned, I'm no less than a prisoner. It's containment and it's illegal. It's a criminal act to keep me here. Okay. I don't know what else to say at this moment in time, but I will say something. All I can say is, please, 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 if you're in a position to help me, please do. We need to help everybody in this situation, because it's clearly a strategy we're going to use going forward. Okay, thank you all. God bless you.